गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने इन द लास्ट वीडियो वी आर डिस्कस्ड अबाउट स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी एंड द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ यूवी विजिबल स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी एंड द बियर लैम्बर्ट्स लॉ. Now we are discussing about chromophores and exochromes. What is the chromophore and exochromes? Chromophores, such isolated and saturated groups in organic compounds which are responsible for color, generally in given species, are called chromophores. For example, these chromophores are color giving groups. These are the examples are नाइट्रो ग्रुप, नाइट्रोसो, सी डबल बॉन्ड सी ट्रिपल बॉन्ड सी, एल्कीन एल्काइंस जो ग्रुप हैं, देन साइनाइड है, देन क्यूमिन है, देन बेंजीन, कार्बोनाइल, देन थायोसाइनाइड, देन कार्बोजिल ग्रुप. These are the examples are the chromophores group and giving colors in organic compounds. And next is the oxochromes. Oxochromes is the such heteroatoms, nitrogen, oxygen, halogens and sulfur, which are containing lone pairs or containing saturated groups which itself do not show any color but increase the color intensity of chromophores are called oxochromes. Oxochromes must have one or more lone pairs. For example, hydroxy group, ammonia, or thiol and ester and nitroso group with conjugation. These are the heteroatoms. Such atoms in conjugation of unsaturated groups are called oxochromes. Next topic is UV spectrum and shift in absorption band. What is the UV spectrum, and by the help of UV spectrum how we can illustrate the determination of conjugation in the organic compounds. In UV spectrum, absorbance is plotted against wavelength lambda value, where given species shown a maximum absorbance is called lambda max and corresponding e value is eta value is called eta max. A species may show more than one lambda max. Shift in absorption band may be occur on changing the solvent or due to structural change in given species. We, we can see the UV spectrum here. The graph is plotted in absorption and lambda max. Here hyperchromic shift, red shift, or hypsochromic shift and blue shift. These are the four type of shift in absorption band. We can see the and we can read the shift of UV spectrum. First is red shift, banthochromic shift. It's also called banthochromic shift by virtue of the effect the absorption band shifted toward higher wavelength. In the red shift, the wavelength is shifted in higher value is called banthochromic shift or red shift. And second B is blue shift, also called hypsochromic shift. Due to this effect, the absorption band shifted towards lower wavelength. And next is C, hyperchromic shift. In this effect, the intensity of absorption band is increased. And next is hypsochromic shift. Due to this effect, the intensity of absorption band decreases. Generally, red shift is observed with hyperchromic shift and blue shift is observed with hypsochromic shift. Shortly, we can write. We can see the lambda max or eta max values, and increasing lambda max values is shows red shift and decreasing shows blue shift. And also eta max we can see जो increasing, then eta max value increasing hyperchromic shift and decreasing hypsochromic shift. We can also see the example 1,3-butadiene and 2,3-dimethyl-butadiene. In this example, the lambda max in 1,3-butadiene to 17 nanometer and eta max is 21,000. Then we can add the substituent in the example 2,3 dimethyl. Then lambda max is increases to 6 226 nanometer, and we can say that this is example for redshift. And other example, third example is we can say the electron density is directly proportional to the lambda max, or electron density increasing, the lambda max will be increases. Seventh example is aniline shows blue shift in acidic medium because by this is we can see mesomeric effect of aniline ke on NH2 group. The lone pair is increasing the electron density in benzene ring. So but in like acidic medium, NH3 convert NH3 positive ion aniline ion. So it's not behave like activating group, and the lambda max will decrease. So blue shift is also in absence of acid, the lone pair of electrons of an atom increases electron density in aromatic ring by positive resonance effect and mesomeric effect. So that we can say pi to pi star transition take place at higher wavelength, but in presence of acidic medium. NH2 group undergoes protonation. Due to this effect, the generated NH3 ion aniline ion group decrease electron density in aromatic ring by minus I effect. So that pi to pi star transition occurs at lower lambda max. So we can say the electron density decrease in benzene ring and blue shift undergoes. Next is solvent effect. By the help of solvent effect, we can discuss the intensity of lambda max. We can say the non-polar solvent and polar solvent. In the presence of polar solvent, increasing the distance between n to pi star transition. Blue shift is, and it means increasing the polarity of the solvent. Lambda max of n to pi star and n to sigma star electron transition separated towards the lower wavelength, and lambda max of pi to pi star and sigma to pi sigma star electron transition separated towards the higher wavelength redshift. We can see the examples. And hydrogen bonding. By the help of hydrogen bonding using UV spectroscope, we can distinguish between inter and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. We can say we can see. Thank you.